16 years ago, I had a personal crisis, and from that, I wanted and tried to take my own life. Then I saw an interview with you on television, and I have to be honest, the first thought I had was, this is another holy man trying to sell religion, and I thought you might be a liar like everyone else. And I spent the next 2 years in amazement reading your books and watching the change in my own heart, and my own happiness started to change. But it really,
happiness เราได้ยินเรา
2 years later, I met Geshe Jimpo Sonam, and my whole life over the next 14 years, every day is getting happier and happier. And I want to thank you and Geshe-la publicly and personally. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Wonderful.